Hello team, it's March and things are warming up here in New Jersey. Thought I'd give you a little update on how things are going. We're off to a little bit slower start this year, and we got to step it up on sales on both sides of the organization. We're a couple $1 million short of revenue. We're about $42 million in revenue through February, and a couple $1 million short of our budget and plan for the year. And need our sales force out there to increase the level of activity and the close rate on both sides of the business. We still think our full year plan is fine, but we're as opposed to some of my earlier reports, we're a little bit behind plan. But I think it's important to talk about both sides of the equation when things aren't as good. So looking forward to a better March and April from our sales force out there. On the good news side, LexisNexis Firm Manager, we used to call it Magellan, but our new next generation practice management application, it's called LexisNexis Firm Manager. It actually launched for commercial general availability March 1st. We've had over 900 users sign up for the public beta version of the product to try it, and we've actually had 56 users sign up commercially to buy it, and they start with a small trial period, but they've given us credit cards or agreed to buy it at the end of the trial period. And 56, but it's only been available for about 10 days, is really an exciting launch to Firm Manager. I really want to congratulate that entire team: Audrey Mungle, Jonah Paransky, Mike Holmshire, Scott Willett, Catherine Watson. There are really a lot of people involved there, led by Mike Lips, of course, but really a spectacular effort. I strongly believe that product is the future of practice management and a platform for many other things, many other services for lawyers in the future. So really a big deal. March 31st, we're targeting to launch Time Matters version 11. It includes the Time Matters mobility service. As we've talked about, mobility is everything in the present and in the future. Lawyers want to access their data and their workflow via mobile solutions. And on March 31st, Time Matters 11 is coming out with great support for smartphones and other mobile devices. On the Lawyers.com side, traffic has been good through the first couple months of the year, better than the end of last year. We're up 18%. And we've handled some challenges on the traffic side during that period. And so even with some challenges, we've had traffic increase 18%, and leads to our customers are up 15% too. Also on the web-based marketing services side of the business, we have launched Project Rudy. Rudy stands for Are You Done Yet? And I think it's a good name for that project. It's a project to completely replace our order-to-cash systems on the the WBMS side of the business. A really important project. Many of you know our billing and order-to-cash applications have been archaic and really hurting our customer experience. And this project, we're going to spend millions of dollars, frankly, on this project. But really important deliverable for our business and our customers over the next 18 months. Our markets continue to be attractive. The economy continues to get better. Marketing services and software solutions for law firms continue to be a hot market, and especially in small law. Our new products, Pay-Per-Lead and Enhanced Profiles, continue to do well. Our initiatives in the do-it-yourself space. We're launching EasyLaw.com for the DIY space. Some hot products going to be there. So our markets and our opportunities continue to be good. We're working on our 4 strategic gaps. Our NPS goal of driving 10% improvement in NPS, really important. I hope devil's in the details. I hope you all think about the smallest things in our customer experience, fix them, work aggressively to fix them. We're working on our EOS goal to achieve a 15-point improvement in our EOS scores. I had a great roundtable this morning over breakfast with some folks here in New Providence, and got some good firsthand feedback about getting more training for our people, more recognition for people, but we really had a great dialogue this morning. We're continuing to drive the innovation goal and the customer acquisition goal with the other two GAP teams, and I think we're especially making progress on the innovation projects. We're launching new products, innovation in our business between LexisNexis Firm Manager, for Project Nike, the do-it-yourself products, and the new Paper Lead offerings. Innovation has been terrific, and I encourage everybody to take a hand in innovation. So thanks for your time. Keep up the good work. Things are going well, and we're making great strides as a business, and it's all due to you. I sincerely mean that. We all leaders ride on your backs out there. We don't do things. You guys get things done, and we appreciate all that you do. So keep up the good work, and take care.